Basic research is critical for the future of the Army. If we solve today's problems, we will fail in tomorrow's battlefield. So we have to be able to forward project possible new futures. Dynamic Mutual Information Networks is a project related to network science. Okay, network communications, networking of our logistics, networks that we understand, data transmission networks is something that will be with us for the foreseeable future. So developing new techniques that allow us to understand, adapt, and disrupt these networks will be critical for the success of future Army operations.
This project delivers fundamental knowledge toward creating a more resilient network through bio-inspired solutions to enable future Army capability beyond current operational standards. Our research explores the role of non-native birds in ecosystem functioning on Oahu, where we find that non-native birds are almost entirely responsible for native plant dispersal on the island. This research was the first of its kind to document how species interact in a novel ecosystem using a network science approach. The developed frameworks have the potential to inform other military relevant issues, such as tactic, techniques, and procedures, TTPs, relevant to insurgency and counterinsurgency operations.
So we can take the math that Dr. Sperry's team has learned by examining where do birds eat in Hawaii, and then where do those plants grow once they've been eaten, and take that and use it as a network that takes information, and then the Army can take that information and transfer it somewhere else, or we can take those networks and disrupt them, or we can establish new supply lines that will allow us to continue to feed and water our troops the same way that we fed and water our bushes. ERDC's basic research is focused on solving the impossible problems of our future battle space by anticipating the Army's challenges to come. There are no new problems, there are just new ways to solve them, and that's what we invest in, is a new future here by rewarding high-risk, high-reward research.